Hey guys, you ever just wake up and you're like, you choose violence? That's what I did today. And I'm sorry you had to see that. This power strip doesn't stand a chance, by the way.
What's up guys? Today we are installing headlights on the 2002 Toyota Celica GT. Currently on my car, my headlights like to do this really fun thing that's called, they don't work very well. So, Simon got me some new headlights for Christmas, and they not only actually work, but they also look fucking dope.
Oh yeah.
There's a car, we're gonna do some stuff to it.
Yeah.
Come along. So a really cool thing actually about the Celica is getting the headlights out is actually pretty easy. You don't have to remove the bumper or anything like that. It's just a little 10 millimeter guy there, and a 10 millimeter guy in that little hole right there. Obviously we gotta... But yeah, so I just gotta get these boys out and then like unplug some stuff and yank these bitches out.
There he goes.
Next thing we gotta do is take the washer fluid thing off of it. And it looks like you gotta try to rip it off. It's just these two little clips. You just push down. Oh wow. Crazy.
So pull it up.
What? What are you not telling me?
Well.
What are you not telling me?
I seem to recall there being a trick to getting these out, but I also don't seem to recall that trick.
So the first YouTube video that we looked up to find out how to take these headlights out lied to us. There is a
1A Auto. Buy their parts. Just kidding.
There's a third bolt underneath like this part of the bumper that we have to get to, and that we have to like take out a bolt and like lift it and get to. So yeah, now we're gonna do that so we can actually get this goddamn headlight assembly out.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we had to undo the bolt holding the bumper on, and now we gotta get under there
Without fucking your paint up.
to that
those
little
scratches
bolt
are
right there. So now, after some didgeridoo magic, it should just come out like that. Whoa!
Whoa! We gotta figure out what kind of wiring contraption the previous owner put on there, because these are aftermarket headlights. I don't like the looks of that box.
Yeah. So for the low beams, it had this LED conversion in it, and it's probably the cheapest one that can be found.
Yeah.
And that was in right there with that plug-in.
Look at this connector, dude. That was just kind of crammed into this factory plug. Yeah, it's you know it's cheap when it has a fan on the bulb. You know it's cheap when it has a fan on the bulb. I guarantee you it doesn't fucking need that. Headlights are cooled by movement. Go ahead and mock it up. Set her down.
Dude, that is gonna look so fucking sick.
That looks way better.
It does.
The halos just have these wires, positive and ground, and I'm gonna try and figure out a good way to wire those to the first switch option on the headlights, so that before you can turn the halos on without actually turning on the low beams. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
All right.
Okay, so this is our plug for the LED kind of strip, I guess. And I want to see if this guy turns on with the first click of the switch. And if that is the case, I'm going to tap the halo wires into the part of the harness that actually plugs into the LEDs. Plug this in. Click. Is the LED strip on?
Yes.
Okay. So now that we know that, I am going to find a way to tap those wires into this piece of the harness. Yeah, I think I know how I'll do that. Alright, bet. We'll see. Got these fancy little wire strippers here. You just squeeze, and they pull the wire. Now, we used a multimeter to test the two connections, and the green wire is the positive, white wire is the negative. So, I'm going to cut into the positive. I'm going to strip. Might have to do this a different way. Never mind. Got him. Idiot. Take it back now, y'all. There we go. Okay. I'm finna take these hoes. I'm gonna whip them. Okay, whip this up. So, I'm going to twist these boys together. I kind of twisted, like once. This is thick wire. Then I'm gonna take my little blue pal here, and I'm going to slide him over that. But on this same side, I'm also going to have the factory plug. And so I'm just going to crimp these together, and if need be, I can probably separate it in the future. Probably. Hopefully. Big old hopeful. And just like that, the halos are now hooked up to the LED strip. All we gotta do is ground the grounds that go with the halos. This right here is a wonderful little ground. Because I can't be fucked to do anything right, or professionally, I suppose, I'm just going to take them and wrap them around this in a way that works. I'm gonna pin them under this bolt and send it down. Now that that's all done, our plug is still intact, and go ahead and lock this guy up again. Find my shady ass plug. Where are you?
Hello?
Plug it in. Now, if I did this right, what will happen now is your halos will turn on, and your LED strips will turn on, but nothing else will turn on. Drum roll, please.
It works.
Do they look good?
Yes, they do.
I want to see.
Come take a look at this.
Now we just gotta plug everything in, bolts it back up, and then go to the other side.
Yeah.
That's an all-around win.
Yeah.
Tell them what happened.
The wiring is done. Took the positives and wired it through the positive to this plug right here, and took the negatives and grounded them on that. And now we're gonna start plugging it in. Plugging shit in. We gotta make sure we put that bulb in there. And we gotta plug shit in. So. So the old headlight, the actual plug-in for the bulb was kind of fucked against the air intake, and we kind of had to finagle it.
Yep.
This one, this plastic bump right here is against it. So I actually have to like push the air intake in like that to get it into place. And then
That's
when I
okay.
let go of the air intake. I know, I'm just saying what it is. I know it's not like detrimental or anything. I'm just saying what I...
Well, that'll be fine right there.
Yeah.
You'll just have to hold it while I put a bolt in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that.
I'm putting the screw back in the bottom bumper to make it like all
fucky man?
and all unfucky weight light.
Yeah.
Yep.
You ready for the great reveal with the hood down?
Yes, I am.
Pretty exciting.
It's fucking amazing. Look at that. God, that is so sick.
Yeah.
Those
At
headlights are
least the
so
gap is
cool.
uniform.
Ah, that looks awesome.
A lot better than the last one. We got lucky. These headlights, I don't know if they came pre-aimed or what, but they look pretty damn good. Look at a good height, good width apart, good spread, good throw. All of those words that I know have to do with headlights. Good job.
Good job.
Gotta get this